Christmas desserts brought to you by Blue Band. Make it better with Blue Band. All right, let's dive straight into our Christmas desserts. So this one brought to you by Blue Band, and we have one of our favorite guest chefs dropping by to pull together a nice recipe for us. Tricia Gregoire is here with us.
Hello.
Happy holidays.
Same to you.
Yeah. So what are you doing for us?
Traditional Christmas cookies.
Wow.
One of my favorite memories is when you get those butter cookies home for Christmas. Can't pass without it, right?
And they just keep going for another.
Oh, and then you're so upset when the tin is empty.
So you're making your own.
Yes.
You're making your own. Cool.
So, but I'm going to do it with a little twist,
Right.
because I'm going to throw in some nuts and some cranberries, and you can change it up however, with dry fruits and stuff like that.
Nice, yeah.
So we're going to start. We go with the butter.
So you're using a Blue Band butter to start.
Yes.
That's the base of the cookie.
Yes, because we want a nice buttery, creamy cookie.
Nice. And you make it better with Blue Band.
Yes. And our sugar.
So,
So this recipe, today I'm just going to be piping it, right? But you can chill it in the fridge after you make the dough, and then roll it out and cut it with your cookie cutters to get all your lovely shapes, your Christmas Santa and stuff like that.
nice.
We add in an egg. You can use your hand mixer or your standing mixer. For this, of course, you do the faster way. Gonna add in our flour here.
That's a full cup of flour.
1 cup of flour. Gonna also add in some cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. Now you're gonna throw in your nuts and your dried fruits. So I'm using pecan and cranberries. And a little tip of milk, about 2 tablespoons of milk. Because we don't want a dry, because I'm going to put it in the piping bag, I don't want a dry batter.
Yeah, okay, got it.
So from here, you can put it in the fridge, wrap it in some cling wrap, put it in the fridge, let it chill, and then when you're ready to use it, you take it out, flour your board, roll it with your rolling pin, and then cut it with your shapes, right? But we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be putting it in our piping bag.
So you can do what you just said, but
Can do that,
you can
yes.
also go straight
This
after.
way,
Yeah.
or you can use a small ice cream scoop
Yeah.
and just scoop it out and put
drop,
it, yeah,
and
drop
drop,
it out,
yeah. Did
yes.
some drop cookies a couple of weeks ago on the show, and
Right.
I learned that method a couple of weeks ago.
Quick and easy. And if you don't have the piping bag, you can use the a Ziploc bag.
Right. It's amazing. The color, you're seeing the nuts and the cranberries, everything right there to show.
And you're popping this into the oven for 18 to 20 minutes.
18 to 20 minutes.
Yes, 18 to 20 minutes.
But I'm hoping I don't have to wait that long.
No, of course not. I walked with some already.
Wow.
So you can play around with it. You can add your little sprinkles before it goes into the oven, your little thing. And then to finish it off, we just want to garnish with sugar powder. Add that extra little sweet.
That was a Christmas flair.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Thanks to the folks at the Blue Band, guys. Remember, Blue Band makes it better